the highs, you will. Everything you look for, down. Okay, wait, make I show now, Wait till I come see go thief join now. Oh, you bought wife when go the thief for market, Oh, you bought wife when go the thief for market, Hey, okay. I come see go thief this one. I thief am, see am, say I say fine. For summer. See, wait, make I show now. What make I show now? Hey, I will tell you now the story. This is super story. This is super story. But let the jeans not make my nyash flat or if you dear me, what I will tell the generation and not get part two. Okay, now let's go hop in, hop out. So this is the jeans. At least the jeans cover all my fatness. For this belly. Look at my back. Look at my back. Hey, 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 look at my back. This go take it go carry weight this year. This summer. This go take go carry weight. Look at my back. Hey, 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 hey, bang, 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 bang. Okay. This is the jeans. The jeans is fine, Abi. It's fine. Short jeans. For summer, I goes out to anywhere I want to go for the summer. That is how we roll it. Okay. That's how I tell now. Okay now. This one don't go. Then make I show you. Another one when I go thief. Make I show now. Now cold. Cold and brain. A Taisha market. You yourself corner your high. Carry your high. You not take look ground like say you be winshow. Look at very, very well. Look the ground very, very well. There, once you don't look and finish, just point your finger. I wanna see this one now. Share this one fine. This one are for summer going out. Make I use the bet I get for her. I just bring her. Make I use her till they do design. How did you see it? Is the girl not beautiful? Wait, make I tell you now the full story, the full gist. When you just go to the market, you often use your eye, carry your winch eye, use and take color, be inside the market. Just look what you just like once your that winch eye don't point to her, say, I'll see what I like then. You order. You say, Mr. Man, I like it. How much is it? They'll tell you. 20 euro, 30 euro, you pay. Now so they take a tip for markets. You pay. Okay. You see, I can never talk. I don't fish out. I don't gay. Did you guys like it? You like it? You like it? It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Take a screenshot.